From shifting mountains and collapsing cliffs to violent storms and rare natural wonders, these unbelievable nature moments capture the raw power of our ever-changing planet. Every clip is real unscripted and unfolding in real time. Now, let's begin with today's remarkable footage. A large rock broke free from a cliff in the Dolomites, falling as part of the mountain's ongoing natural evolution.
Oh, bro!
The roof flew off.
Oh,
The roof flew off.
the roof is flying off. Tornado right here.
It's a trash can. The trash cans.
Travelers in Belarus faced a terrifying moment when a tornado swept through Polotsk as they were driving. Tornadoes can form rapidly, putting anyone nearby at risk. Deer lay motionless beneath a blanket of snow, blending so perfectly with their surroundings that they appeared frozen in place. Stillness helps wildlife conserve energy in harsh winter conditions.
Companheirada, você viu aqui na fazenda Palmeirinha? Aqui secou.
Few creatures would ever want to fall into a lake filled with so many crocodiles. In environments like this, survival depends on constant awareness and adaptation.
Deus sabe o que faz, viu?
In Townsville, Queensland, a woman captured the moment a transformer exploded after a powerful lightning strike. Electrical infrastructure is especially vulnerable during intense storms.
What the fuck?
Across southeastern Massachusetts, large hail fell during a storm, creating a scene that was both striking and hazardous. Hailstorms can develop suddenly and cause widespread damage.
There's some on the tennis ball side.
Oh my God!
Look at that water out there.
One of the world's most unusual beaches comes into view, where pink sand meets clear blue water. When two water bubbles touch, they merge in a delicate, fleeting moment. Simple physical interactions like this can be surprisingly captivating. This dramatic coloration was caused by a bloom of marine algae tinting the river with vivid hues.
A casa vai cair. Será que tem alguém dentro? Será que as coisas foram tiradas?
In Rio Bananal, a house was swept away within seconds as floodwaters surged after intense rainfall. Flash floods can rise rapidly, leaving little time to react and underscoring the force of moving water. In Hualien, the ground and a nearby bridge shook violently as a powerful earthquake struck. Sudden seismic motion can be disorienting even for those accustomed to tremors. Fire crews cleared snow-covered roads in Ascoli Piceno, Italy, restoring access during harsh winter conditions. Their efforts are essential for keeping communities connected and safe. In Chuluota, Florida, strong gusts lifted a backyard trampoline into the air. Loose outdoor items can become dangerous projectiles during storms.
Oh my gosh!
Sea cucumbers feed in an unusual way, using small tentacles around their mouths to collect sand and extract organic material and microorganisms. It's a slow but effective process, much like a living vacuum cleaner working across the ocean floor. Along the coast of Sardinia, crystal clear water meets soft white sand, creating a place where people feel closely connected to nature. A small backyard shed exploded and caught fire, highlighting the risks of improperly storing gasoline or fuel. Safe storage practices are critical to preventing sudden accidents. At Oroville Dam, the spillway was detonated in a controlled operation. The action helped reinforce the structure and protect downstream areas during a tense but necessary intervention. In Versailles, Ohio, a train struck a truck at a crossing, reducing the vehicle to twisted metal in moments. Train collisions leave little margin for survival. A landslide occurred in the mountains of Switzerland, reminding us of the instability of steep terrain during wet seasons. During winter, Lake Superior produced ice pancakes as circular slabs of ice drifted across the surface. These formations develop when waves and freezing temperatures interact.
So, can somebody tell me, and I'm not using no app, I am on that. Tell me that is not
Perfectly rounded snowballs formed naturally during freezing weather. These rare shapes can develop when wind rolls wet snow across the ground. Have you ever seen an avalanche in real life? Encounters like this leave a lasting impression on just how powerful mountain environments can be.
ไอ้สัตว์อุ้ยชิบหายเชื่อพี่แล้วคนโคตรเยอะเลยคนอยู่นั้นปานเลยน่ะ
A rare fire tornado formed inside Root National Forest as firefighters worked to control the blaze. Fire whirls like this occur when intense heat and wind combine, creating extremely dangerous conditions. A tornado tore through a Starbucks location, leaving heavy damage behind. Severe weather often strikes without warning, making alerts and preparedness essential.
Wow, dust storm! Woo! Woo!
Even hailstones the size of small coins can scratch vehicles, shatter glass, and cause injuries. Footage from Bend shows why seeking shelter during storms is critical. In Idaho, a massive spinning ice disk rotated slowly on the water's surface. Ice circles form when currents and freezing temperatures align just right. This octopus squeezed into a bottle far smaller than its body. Thanks to their soft, flexible form, octopuses can fit through openings no larger than their beak. Flooding caused by melting ice has severely impacted river communities along Alaska's Yukon River. These events highlight the growing influence of global climate change on fragile regions. In a striking moment, an earthquake sent waves sloshing across a swimming pool, visually reflecting how seismic energy travels through structures and water alike. Heavy snowfall and fierce winds swept through neighborhoods in Colorado, transforming streets almost instantly. Blizzard conditions like these can change daily life in a matter of hours. Storm winds can lift and carry almost anything, even something as small as an umbrella. It's a simple reminder to never underestimate the power of moving earth. These unbelievable nature moments show how Earth is shaped by forces beyond human control, sometimes beautiful, sometimes destructive. Awareness, respect, and preparation matter more than ever. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay curious, and join us again for more moments from our extraordinary world.